In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment icons in the Shopify cart drawer. This is an important touch for enhancing your customers' checkout experience, making your store look more professional and trustworthy. Let's dive in step by step to ensure everything is done smoothly and correctly. First off, before making any modifications to your theme, it's crucial to create a backup. Think of it as your insurance policy. If anything goes awry during the editing process, you'll have a copy of your original theme to fall back on. To duplicate your theme, head over to your Shopify admin panel. From there, navigate to Online Store, then Themes. Here you'll see an Actions menu. Click on that, and you'll find the option to duplicate. Go ahead and create your backup. This small step can save you a lot of stress later on. Now that we have our backup ready, it's time to access the code editor. Return to the admin panel, and once again, navigate to Online Store and Themes. Click on Actions and select Edit Code. This will allow you to delve into the theme's files and make the changes we need. Next, we need to locate the file responsible for the cart drawer's appearance. Most themes have this file named something like cartdrawer.liquid, and it's typically found within the Snippets folder. The naming might vary slightly depending on your theme, but it should be something similar. Once you have the right file open, concentrate on the section that deals with the cart drawer footer. We're about to insert a code snippet, which is essential for displaying those payment icons. Look for a spot in the code near the checkout button or where the cart footer begins. You're aiming to place the following code there. HTML. This for type in shop-enabled payment types. Percent. Types or payment type SVG. Tag. Class. Icon, full color. So percent and %. Once you've pasted this code, you can further customize the icon's appearance by modifying the CSS classes or styles within this snippet. This is a great opportunity to tailor the look to match your store's aesthetic, making it as cohesive and appealing as possible. With your changes now in place, remember to save this file. After saving, refresh your storefront to see the changes take effect. You'll now see those payment icons displayed beautifully in your cart drawer, adding that professional flair to your checkout page. Be mindful that the payment methods displayed need to be enabled in your Shopify settings. Double-check this by going to Settings and then Payments, and ensure that the gateways you want visible are active. Lastly, while some themes automatically handle this with an option in the settings, not all do. If yours does, you might find a toggle within the theme customization area. Simply switch it on. And there you have it. A polished and appealing cart drawer that inspires trust and ensures a smooth checkout process for your customers.